during that time in December, are you here or are you not here?
I'll be here.
Okay.
Your date? Yeah, I'll be here. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Morning.
All right, we can start checking in.
Hello.
What's going on, please?
Miss Franklin is my APA.
I'm here. Good morning, Miss Kitty. Good morning, Judge Giles.
Good morning. All right, what attorneys I have checking in?
Yeah, this is Attorney Ray Page.
Who you here on, Mr. Page?
I'm checking in on Matthew Reeves at PCC on a murder case.
Oh, all right. All right, I got you, Mr. Page.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Morning, Kitty. It's Jackie with NDS Pilkowitz. I'm here on Davenport for the tether motion.
Davenport, non-Davenport, okay. Who's next? What attorney, any other attorney that needs to check in? Guess the rest are defendants, huh?
We got Tatiana Reed. Ms. Reed?
Someone else.
Yeah.
Okay, if you are a defendant, you have to wait for your attorney to check in, okay? So just hold tight and listen for the name.
System on mute.
Put your systems on mute until that time.
How you do that? Just like,
The judge is still
to the left.
That's all we got right now. We can. Oh, well, Paige, I think he has a special attorney.
Yeah,
It's a
special
homicide.
prosecutor.
Okay, you have to put your system on mute until your hearing. And you said Tatiana Reed was on, right?
Yeah. She's in the background. Yeah, Ms. Upshaw now.
There we go. I can hear you.
Mr. Upshaw, who are you here on?
He stepped away.
Oh,
The guy was here.
okay. Mr. Godwin, you on Ford, Michael Ford?
That's correct.
Okay, I got you checked in.
Thanks.
Any other attorney that needs to check in?
There we go.
Well, I can do Godwin and Jackie.
Okay.
Ready on Davenport?
I think he's signing in right now. Let me give him a call. Maybe do Godwin first.
Okay. Ready on Ford?
Moore, yes, Your Honor.
No, Ford, F-O-R-D.
Okay.
Is
Yes,
that
I'm
who
here.
you're, Mr. Upshaw?
Yes. We have 2 attempts for 11:45. I just told him to check in since
Moore and who else?
Fambro.
Oh, Fambro.
This
Okay.
Fambro.
That was, Dr.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, Ms. Reed, like,
I'm trying to fix my speaker. You said something up, so.
Wayne County Jail.
Where are you going, sir?
Tell him to sit right there.
Good morning, Wayne County. Who do you have?
Good morning, it's Wayne County. Checking in with Sade Keith.
Oh, that's my motion.
Okay. All right.
And we'll be on mute.
Oh, do that in just a minute. There's attorney coming on now.
Mr. Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just let him know.
You want me to do Godwin while we?
Yeah.
Ready on Ford, calling case number 2061435, the people of the state of Michigan versus Michael Ford. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Senator Franklin, appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sean Godwin, P74500 for Michael Ford, who is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Ford, can you state your name? Unmute.
Michael Ford.
All right, Mr. Ford, I don't do T-shirts in my courtroom.
I'm sorry. I did my first time doing Zoom. I'm correct.
All right, just to let you know, if you come back like that, I'm gonna have to dress you.
Oh, don't worry about it. It won't happen again.
All right, thank you. All right, Mr. Godwin.
Yes, we're requesting a preliminary examination in this matter. I still need the body-worn cameras and any other video that the police have related to this incident.
All right, how many witnesses?
1.
All right, June 16th at 9 o'clock.
Can you push mute on that for a minute, or?
Now the hearing puts the system on mute.
Okay, you got to contact the attorney.
June 16th, 9 a.m.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
All right,
Great
thank you.
calling. We're done, Mr. Ford.
Is Mr. Parker, are you ready?
I'm ready, Your Honor. I'm ready. I don't see the prosecutor.
Is it a special prosecutor?
Yeah, yes.
Oh, yeah.
It's Matthew Makepeace. I emailed him about our date.
Do you have his number to call him? Cause your client is on in Wayne County Jail. I don't wanna lose her.
Okay, then I'll try to call him. Thank you.
Kitty, we can do Davenport. I have him on the phone.
Calling case number 2060224, the people of the state of Michigan versus John Davenport. Defendant is charged with count 1, controlled substance possession, narcotic or cocaine, less than 25 grams. This matter is here on a emergency bond motion.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jackie Pilkowitz with the Neighborhood Defender Service, P81653, on behalf of Mr. Davenport, who is present via phone. Mr. Davenport, will you state your name for the judge, please?
John Clark Davenport.
Your Honor, at this time, we are here for a motion to remove Mr. Davenport's GPS tether. Mr. Davenport has been on a GPS tether since early September in this case. I did file a motion with the court last week, and I stand on that motion. I'll just touch upon it briefly. This is a simple possession charge. There are absolutely no allegations of violence, nothing of that nature. I do not believe that Mr. Davenport is a flight risk in this case to make tether even remotely necessary. I have had regular contact with Mr. Davenport. He works full-time for Glorious Projects Detroit, which I indicated in my motion. I also indicated that proof of employment would be forthcoming. If the court would like me to send you over a copy of one of his recent pay stubs, I would be happy to do so. But he is working full-time with Glorious Project Detroit. Tethers are costly and cumbersome, and we know that with the coronavirus, we are only seeing delays until its preliminary examination set in March of 2021, assuming that goes as planned. I just do not believe that a tether is necessary in this case, and I'm asking the court to remove it at this time.
Do people wish to be heard?
People leave it to the court's discretion, Judge.
Or sponsored by 12 hours today. Responding delays.
All right, I'll remove the tether.
Thank you, Judge. Would you like me to hear an order, or to expect it to be later on?
I'm gonna do it right now.
Thank you, Judge.
Madam Clerk, I don't know if you have me checked in, but I'm here on Courtney Wilkins.
Madam Clerk, Tatney Sharif is here. On Lamar Cortez. Hey,
I already have you checked in, Ms. Reed.
I'm sorry?
I already have you checked in.
Thank you.
Madam Clerk, may I check in?
Are we all set on Davenport then?
Yeah, we're all set.
All right, thank you, Judge. Have a good holiday.
All right.
I'm sorry, who did I miss?
I
Somebody
was-
said something.
I'm sorry, did you check me in on Courtney Wilkins? She's also on Zoom.
I have you checked in.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Madam Clerk, this is Attorney Max Dugan. I'm here on Mohammed Jaffrey as well as Yolanda Burke.
And what was the other name?
Mohammed Jaffrey and Yolanda Burks. E-L-A-N-D-A.
Oh, Burks.
Yeah, I see Miss Burks in the Zoom call.
Okay.
Good morning. This is Alexandra. I'm checking in for Christopher McElhaney.
Hold on one at a time. Go ahead, Councilor.
This is Alexandria Poole for Christopher McElhaney.
Can I have your P number?
Yes, P83670.
Thank you. We ready on more?
Yes.
Calling case number 2057423, the people of the state of Michigan versus Deshaun Moore. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. Count 2, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon. Count 3, weapons felony, firearm, habitual offender, fourth notice. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Morning, Shanetta Franklin on behalf of the people.
Randall Upshaw, P43574 on behalf of Mr. Moore.
All right, is your client on, Mr. Upshaw?
Judge, I contacted him last night. He should be on this morning.
Oh, yes, I'm here.
State your name for the record, please.
Deshaun Levance Moore.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Upshaw, we're just rescheduling this matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
I think
Sticky?
sticky, yeah.
Oh, that one, some of them. Some of them had PCC forms in them, some of them.
Oh.
Yeah, I didn't know if just off the top.
Looking at June 16th at 9:30.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Oh, I do have one more.
All right.
Calling case number 2057439, the people of the state of Michigan versus Alton Fambro. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Shanetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Randall Upshaw on behalf of Mr. Fambro, Your Honor.
Mr. Fambro,
Yes, sir.
state your name, please.
Alton Fambro.
You need to put the camera on you so I can see you more than just the top of your head. All right, Mr. Fambro, I'll do t-shirts in my courtroom.
All right, so I
Won't carry
apologize.
whatever. I beg your pardon?
Okay, so I apologize, won't happen again.
All right. All right, Mr. Upshaw, we're just rescheduling this again, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
On June 16th at 9:30?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Your Honor, you and your staff have a good day.
You too, have a good holiday.
Kitty, the prosecutor is sitting in the waiting room.
He's coming.
Okay, thank you. Calling case number 2061079, the people of the state of Michigan versus Nicole Keith. Defendant is charged with count 1, homicide, murder, second degree. Count 2, operating while intoxicated, causing death. Count 3, operating while license suspended, revoked, denied, causing death. Count 4, count 5, count 6, child abuse, second degree. Count 7, operating while intoxicated, occupant less than 16 years old. Count 8, operating while intoxicated, occupant less than 16. Count 9, operating while intoxicated, occupant less than 16. Count 10, operating while intoxicated, occupant less than 16. This matter is here on emergency bond motion.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Makepeace on behalf of the people.
Good morning. NDS Detroit by James Parker on behalf of Ms. Keith, 53832.
All right, 1 second, let me go through your motion.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I read your motion. Anything you want to add?
Just that my client is the mother of 2 small children. Her significant other is the father of the children, is on Zoom. If you have any questions, he will be able to make sure, if you allow her a bond, that she can go to Central City drug treatment. That's on my bullet point number 5. Also, he is a certified nurse's assistant. He does have an opportunity to have employment. We are asking the court to reduce the bond.
People wish to be heard?
Yes, Judge. At this time, the people are objecting to any reduction in bond. Right now, the bond is set at $100,000 cash, and it's our position that, given the defendant's history and the facts of this case, that if I could just enlighten the court to some facts. On November 24th, 2018, the defendant was stopped in Oak Park Police for drunk driving. She registered a .356 on a BAC from a blood draw. To one of the officers in that case, she stated that she was on her way to pick up her child. On July 22nd, 2019, she was stopped in Livonia when another driver reported a drunk driver. On a breathalyzer test, she registered a .22 BAC. She had her child in the car with her at the time. On both of those cases, she was charged with OWI. On the July one, she was charged OWI, occupant under 16. Then on December 25th, 2019, she was passed out in the front seat of her car with her 6-year-old child in the back seat. EMS actually pulled up on the scene, found her, pulled her and the child out of the car, at which point she managed to get back in the car and drive away, leaving her 6-year-old child at the scene. About 45 minutes later after that, she was arrested at the Ambassador Bridge on the Canadian side for drunk driving when she tried to enter into Canada. That raises several concerns for the people because either one, she was trying to flee after coming into contact with law enforcement, or two, she was so drunk that she didn't know where she was going and missed all the signs saying no re-entry into the U.S. when she crossed over the Ambassador Bridge. She was given a breathalyzer by the Windsor Police, and that registered, a blood draw by the Windsor Police, and that registered a .254. Then in this case, Judge, just to give you some brief facts on the case, she killed a 6-year-old child when her blood BAC was .332, 4 times the legal limit. He had 4 kids total in the car. One of the eyewitnesses, an off-duty Lenawee County Sheriff's deputy, reports that one of the child, in fact, the one that was deceased, was not restrained in the car when the defendant passed. The defendant ran a red light, and another car struck the side of her car, causing her car to flip, and the child was killed. Given all of that, Judge, the seriousness of this case, the fact that she's facing prison time, her history with driving, not just drunk driving, but drunk driving with children in the car or involved, people believe that $100,000 cash is reasonable.
All right, thank you. Any brief rebuttal, Mr. Parker?
Your Honor, the people had just sent me discovery after I had written my motion. I did not address those prior allegations, but again, I stand by my motion. My client has suffered a number of trigger points, we could describe them as, throughout this past year, be it members of her family dying from COVID, losing her mother, losing a sister. The bottom line is, we just feel at this point in time, sitting in jail with the COVID situation does not further her ability to gain the proper treatment that she needs. I feel that with a bond, we could do house arrest, we could do a scram tether, and this Keith, my client, to get the treatment that she needs.
All right. All right, well, at this point, the information I just heard, the motion is going to be denied. I'm not changing the bond at this point.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you for hearing my motion.
We have exam date in January, so we'll deal with it then.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
For clarification, Your Honor, when is that exam date?
125 I have.
125.
Thank you.
Yeah, January 25th.
Judge, can I have that? No, yeah, it's Mr. Davenport.
Everybody have a good day.
We ready on Jones, Desmond Jones?
I'm ready on Desmond Jones. Thank you, Kitty. Good morning to you and good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Tuttles.
Yes.
Calling case number 2057902, the people of the state of Michigan versus Desmond Jones. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Good morning, Shanetta Franklin, appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Antonio D. Tuttles, on behalf of my client, Mr. Desmond Jones, who is physically not present, whose physical presence I do waive for this particular hearing, who is not present as well on via Zoom, and I ask the court to waive his presence via Zoom. We were scheduled for in-person exam. Yes.
I normally don't waive them if they're set for exam. Have you been in communication with your client?
Absolutely. I was at my client's house yesterday.
All right. All right. Based on that, the court will waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing.
Yes. Your Honor, this was initially scheduled for an in-person exam, and obviously we are not able to do any in-person exam. We're asking obviously for an adjourned date for the in-person exams.
All right. June 16th at 10:30.
At 10:30?
Yes, sir.
I understand that.
Is that a good date?
I'll make that a good date, Your Honor.
All right.
It'll be warm. It'll be warm that day, so I'll be on time.
All right.
Okay. Can I ask Miss? Yes. Can I ask Miss Franklin on a different note? Can I ask Miss Franklin to give me a call?
Yes, Mr. Tuttles, I did receive your message. I was actually waiting for the judge to finish. I'll be in touch with you. Please be patient. I have a very full docket right now. I will follow up with you later today.
I'm an extremely patient person. I got it.
All right, thanks.
Okay. Judge, to you and your staff, Kitty, have a great Thanksgiving. Eat a lot of turkey.
All right, you too. Thank you.
Okay. All right, stay safe. Thank you.
All right.
All right.
Can I inquire as to whether my client, Mr. Addison, is on? I was in contact with him this morning and told him how to zoom in, but I don't see him.
Addison. Hold on, we got some other people coming on now. All right, is there Mr. Addison? Oh, guess not.
We ready on Haywood?
Ready.
Calling case number 2061429, the people of the state of Michigan versus Cortez Haywood. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Shanetta Franklin, on behalf of the people.
May it please this honorable court, Kathleen to read on behalf of Mr. Haywood, Mr. Lamar Cortez Haywood.
All
Your
right.
Honor,
Is your client on Zoom?
I do not believe so. Mr. Haywood, are you?
All right, you waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing?
I do, Your Honor.
All right,
At
thank
this
you.
time, Your Honor, I would like to set the matter over as a PCC if possible. I'd like to do a letter to the gun board, and I need to get in contact with my client to get letters.
All right, well, Ms. Reed, I'm going to adjourn the PCCs. I'm going to set it for exam, but it's set out far enough. I mean, we're setting them out in June.
Okay.
So you have more than enough time to, send the letter in and see if he's eligible for diversion or whatever. If he is, only thing we ask is he then contact the court so that we can move it up and, we'll do the waiver on Zoom.
Okay.
All right, thank you. How many witnesses?
1.
All right, June 16th at 10:45.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you have discovery?
I do.
Okay.
Madam Clerk, may I check in?
I already have you, Sally.
Okay.
Ready on Wilkins?
Yes, we are.
Calling case number 2058996, the people of the state of Michigan versus Courtney Wilkins. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Shanetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Morning, Your Honor. Sanford Sholin appearing on behalf of Courtney Wilkins. She's participating by video conference with her consent permission. I'd ask that she unmute herself and introduce herself.
Courtney Wilkins.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's the time and date for an in-person exam. I understand we're not holding them. We'd ask for another date. It may be fortuitous for her because we will be submitting a gun board letter. I got all the information. If we resolve it earlier, we'll let you know.
All right. All right, June 16th at 11 o'clock.
Good. See you then. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I just want to ask the prosecutor, does she want me to send her a copy of the gun board letter or just write to the gun board?
Directly to the gun board.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Judge. Have a good day. Good weekend.
Thank you, you too.
Calling case number 2061417, the people of the state of Michigan versus Mohammed Jaffrey. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Shanetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Did he get on? It's Max,
Mr. Manoukian? No.
All right. Got 2, so I'll put him on pass. Ready on McHaney?
I believe that's McElhaney that you're talking about.
McElhaney?
Yes.
Calling case number 2061427, the people of the state of Michigan versus Christopher McElhaney. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Shanetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning. Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit, the Alexandria Pool for Mr. Christopher McElhaney, who I don't believe is present on the Zoom, so I'm asking to waive his presence.
No, I'm.
Oh, you are? Okay. I couldn't tell that I was you, Mr. McElhaney. He is present. Can you state your name for the record? Can you state it?
Haney, please state your name for the record.
Christopher McElhaney.
All right, sir. Just so you know, I don't do t-shirts. I don't do sweats. Do none of that in my courtroom, even on Zoom.
All right,
You
sir.
dress for court, shirt with a collar. If you don't dress, I'm gonna dress you. You ain't gonna like the way that happens.
All right, it won't happen again.
Thank you. Counsel?
Your Honor, I'm asking for a preliminary exam in this case.
All right, how many witnesses?
One.
And I believe I received paper discovery, but I have yet to receive digital discovery.
Okay, thank you.
All right, June 16th at 11:15.
That works, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, let me see.
You can sign off, Mr. McElhaney.
Ready on Wheeler?
Yes.
Calling case number 2061430, the people of the state of Michigan versus Kobe Wheeler. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Thomasine Jefferson on behalf of Kobe Wheeler, P42872. I don't know if Mr. Wheeler's on. Mr. Wheeler? Kobe Wheeler. Your Honor, I would ask that we waive his presence.
All right, for the purpose of this hearing.
Ask that this matter be set for exam.
Okay. How many witnesses?
One.
June 16th at 11:30.
That's fine.
Thank you.
Ready on Bright?
Ready, Your Honor. Sally Irwin on behalf of King Solomon.
All right, you gotta let her call it.
Calling case number 2061433, the people of the state of Michigan versus King Bright. Defendant is charged with count 1, malicious destruction of personal property, $1,000 or more, but less than $20,000. Habitual offender, fourth notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sally Irwin on behalf of Mr. Bright. I don't think he's available on Zoom, and I'll ask the court to waive his presence.
All right, court waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing.
Yes, Your Honor. I do need discovery in this matter, and I'll request a exam date.
All right. How many witnesses on this matter?
One.
June 16th at 11:45.
I got it. Thank you. And Ms. Franklin, did you get that I need discovery?
I did. Thank you. I'll send you discovery.
Okay. Happy Turkey Day, Judge.
You too.
And
Happy
everybody.
Turkey. All right, Mr. Manugian is back.
Excuse me, Madam Clerk, excuse me. You have Eric Brunis on this docket? By any chance?
Yes.
Okay.
With an A, Eric with an A?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Hold on.
You're covering up, is that yours?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
It has Rita Young assigned.
I got 2 cases. He got 2 cases. I got both of them.
Oh, okay.
All right.
You said who was our judge?
Mr. Manugian.
Morning, Madam Clerk. I'm here on Yolanda Burks and Mohammed Jaffrey.
Yeah, yes, we already called you. Gotta recall it.
All right, and Kitty, my client is on now. He's the Galaxy.
That was Addison, right?
Yep.
Oh no, you want me to do Thomasine first, Jay?
Doesn't matter. Yeah, the Thomas thing is where it started with. And then you can do it when you're good.
Calling case number 2058841, the people of the state of Michigan versus Eric Brunis. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. Also calling case number 1859249, the people of the state of Michigan versus Eric Brunis. Defendant number 2 is charged with count 6, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. Count 7, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. These matters are here on probable cause conference.
Shanetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Morning again, Your Honor. Thomasine Jefferson on behalf of Eric Brunis on both matters, P42872. Yeah, I don't believe he's on. I would ask that we be able to waive his presence on both matters and set these matters for exam.
All right, waive his appearance for purpose of hearing as to both matters. As to the matter ending in 841, which is the carrying concealed weapon. How many witnesses?
1.
You're not in the hearing. Put your system on mute, please. June 17th, 21 at 9 o'clock.
That's fine.
All right, so then the matter ending in 249, which is the assaulting, resisting, obstructing case. How many witnesses?
1.
Then June 17th at 9:30.
Fine, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Judge, before we conclude this matter, I have a question for Mrs. Jefferson. Ms. Jefferson, for the Wheeler case, do you have discovery on that?
I don't believe I do. Can you send that?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a great day, everybody, and be safe. Thank you.
Ready on Addison?
Yes, I'm ready.
Calling case number 2059218, the people of the state of Michigan versus Daquan Addison. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. Count 2, count 3, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. Count 4, count 5, weapons, felony, firearm. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Shanetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Maria Manarino on behalf of Mr. Addison, who is present via Zoom. Mr. Addison, can you identify yourself, please?
Daquan Addison.
Thank you, sir.
Today's the date and time set for a live preliminary exam. We need a new date.
All right. June 17th at 10 o'clock.
That's a good date.
All right, thank you. Well, continue.
Thank you. We'll be in touch, Mr. Addison. Bye-bye. Everybody have a great Thanksgiving.
You too now. Take care.
Ready on Joffrey?
Ready.
Calling case number 2061417, the people of the state of Michigan versus Mohammed Jaffrey. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Shanetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Max Manoogian appearing on behalf of Mohammed Jaffrey. Your Honor, I was appointed on this case, and I.
Wait a minute, you gotta repeat that. We're not getting any of it.
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
Yes.
Good morning, Your Honor. Max Manoogian, 76341, appearing on behalf of Mohammed Jaffrey. It did appear that somebody in the Zoom call was raising their hand. Perhaps they were retained in this case.
You got nothing else on this, right?
No.
No, we don't have any appearances or anything.
Okay. Your Honor, I was appointed on this matter. I attempted to Mr. Jaffrey on numerous occasions. The information was provided to me by the circuit court.
We're not getting you. You keep fading in and out. You're not getting it.
Is this better? I've not had problems.
Yeah, that's better. Yeah.
I was appointed on this matter. I attempted to get a hold of Mr. Jaffrey on numerous occasions, multiple different avenues. I've not been able to reach him. I have not heard back from him by voicemails or text messages.
All right. Well, the day is set for a PCC. So what we'll do, I'll waive his appearance for the purpose of the day's hearing. We're going to set it for exam day. That'll give you time to get discovery and try to attempt to contact them. All right?
Okay.
How many witnesses?
1.
June 17th at 10:30.
That will be in person, correct, Your Honor?
It's in-person exam.
Works for me.
All right, thank you.
Ready on Burks?
Ready.
Calling case number 2056851, the people of the state of Michigan versus Yolanda Burks. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Shanetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Max Manoogian, 76341, appearing on behalf of Yolanda Burks.
All right, Ms. Burks, can you state your name for the record, please? You got to unmute it.
Can you hear me now?
Yes. Go ahead.
Okay, I apologize. Yolanda Renee Burke.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Manoogian.
Your Honor, today's the date and time set for preliminary examination. The defense is prepared to proceed if the court is intending to call it.
Defense is prepared for what? This matter was set for an in-person preliminary exam. We are not doing in-person preliminary exams. So,
okay. Your Honor, I guess at that point we would ask for a new date.
Okay. All right, going to set this for June 17th at 10:15. No, 10:45.
Ms. Burks, are you on a tether?
A tether?
Yes.
No.
Okay, no problem. Don't say anything. That works, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Wait. Let me make sure I give you the right date. I said June 17th at 10:45, correct?
You said 10:15.
No, you said 10:45, Judge.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, June 17th at 10:45. That's it.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Bye.
All right, bye now, Ms. Parks. Have a good holiday.
You too.
Thank you.
Mr. Page, any word on the prosecutor?
No, I've not heard from the prosecutor. I don't know who the prosecutor is on this case.
What case is it, Ms. Kennedy?
It's Reeves, Matthew Reeves. It's a homicide.
I'm here on that case. I'm the prosecutor on it.
Where?
Dominic DeGrazia.
Oh. Are you ready, Mr. Page?
Yes, I am.
All right. Calling case number 2061789, the people of the state of Michigan versus Matthew Reeves. Defendant is charged with count 1, homicide, murder, first degree, premeditated. Count 2, count 3, count 4, count 5, assault with intent to murder. Count 6, weapons, firearms, discharged and enter at a building causing death. Count 7, weapons carrying concealed. Count 8, count 9, count 10, count 11, count 12, count 13, weapons, felony, firearm. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Dominic DeGrazia, P69815 on behalf of the people.
May it please His Honorable Court, Ray Page on behalf of the defendant, Reeves, P number 41848. He's obviously in custody.
All right. Well, we waive his appearance for the purpose of today's hearing.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. And how many witnesses do we have on this?
Probably 3, Judge.
February 4th, 2021 at 2:30.
That's fine with the defense, Your Honor.
That's fine for the people.
Your Honor, just say for the record that I'm going to be asking for an in-person examination.
Right, that's scheduling for
All right.
in-person exam. Okay, anything else?
No, I would just ask the assistant prosecutor to call me and make sure that we don't have an issue with discovery. And besides with that, there's something else, Your Honor. It's been a long time since I've seen you. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving, you and your staff. Nice seeing you. Stay corona-free.
Thank you. You take care too, Mr. Page. Hope you have a great holiday.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dominic, can I have your P number, please?
P69815.
Thank you.
No problem.
Any other attorney need to check in?
Good morning. Good morning, Madam Clerk. I'm here for David Forsythe. I'm the attorney. His preliminary exam is scheduled at 11. I don't know.
Is your client on?
No.
Okay, we need your client on.
Okay.
Have you talked to him?
I'll try. I'm gonna try to contact him now.
Have you talked to him? The
I
judge
have.
asked.
I have. We're actually close to.
Case is it?
Davis.
Davis?
Oh, Forsythe is the last name. Davis
Oh.
is the first name.
Yeah, and there needs to be a correction to the name, Your Honor.
All right.
Good morning, Kitty, and good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
I'm back with Mr. Gozi, Your Honor. We do not have a matter scheduled today.
Oh. Is that regarding the Mr. Clark in his passport?
Yes.
So Judge, the one you reduced his bond, I think it was on Monday, on the one case,
Right.
and you had surrendered his passport.
Right.
He doesn't have a passport yet. He applied for one, but he never received one.
There's nothing to surrender.
So what's the issue, Ms. Kraus? They're holding him?
Correct. They are holding him until he turns in a passport. I looked up the application yesterday myself. The application is still processing at this time, so he hasn't received one. We don't know if he's going to receive one or when.
Well, then you can get documentation showing that he doesn't have one that is still processing. When he receives it, he'll turn it in.
Right, but I think the issue with the jail is the order says must surrender passport.
I understand that, but if he doesn't have one to surrender, there's nothing to surrender. So, but you have to show them that he doesn't have one. So
Right.
if you can look it up and show that that it's still processing, all you do is screenshot what you're looking up to show that it is still processing and provide that to them. I mean, if there's a problem then I'll deal with it. But right now, I still want him to turn over surrender that passport when he gets it. All right?
Understood, Your Honor. I will call the family and tell them to try that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good Thanksgiving. I hope I don't see you anymore today.
All right, you're always welcome.
All right.
For David Forsythe, can I waive his presence if we're gonna adjourn?
Normally for an exam, no. I want to see them. You said, when's the last time you talked to them?
Yesterday.
All right, I'll waive his appearance today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Calling case number 2059007, the people of the state of Michigan versus Davis Forsythe. Defendant is charged with count 1 and count 2, license documents, plates, forgery. Count 3, operating license suspended, revoked, denied. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
And good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your wonderful staff. May it please this most honorable court, Reginald Anterior, P number 80354, bring on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ali Shiedo, P7764, on behalf of Mr. David Forsythe, and I request that we waive his appearance for this hearing.
All right, you have been in communication with him, is that correct, counsel?
That is correct, Your Honor. I just talked to him yesterday.
All right, the court will waive his appearance for the purpose of today's hearing. I'm going to reschedule this matter over to June 16th at 12 noon.
Thank you, Your Honor. There is one more matter, Your Honor. The defendant's name on record is Davis Forsythe, but the correct name is David. If we can move to correct that.
I don't know, see what's, I gotta look at the.
Well, see, the problem is, I don't know what name he gave them. So I can't change it, and if we try to change it, it's gonna come up as an alias.
Okay, yeah, I don't want to come up as a, he doesn't want it to come up as a alien.
It doesn't. I can't correct it like that. We have to get him in here and get the officers in and see what name he gave them.
Okay.
All right?
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You guys have a good Thanksgiving.
Thank you, you too now. Take care.
Oh, it does say on the detainee sheet, David.
Your Honor, for the record, my file has both names. I think it was a typo, possibly on our part, because the police report does say David on it, if that helps at all.
Yeah, the detainee sheet is David too, so it looks like a type from the prosecutor's office.
All right.
Judge Melanie's trying to get this, she's in the waiting room.
Nobody's in the waiting room.
Oh, you gotta go back in because it's looking, all right. She got out to use the phone, so she said she's coming back in. All right, so this.
Your Honor, also, with regard to Mr. Forsythe, I believe this case is going to be resolved via plea. On the day of said plea, would you like me to have Trooper Prisbello present for the name correction?
No, we'll just correct it.
Okay,
all right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here on Data Douglas. I had tried to email an appearance, and I don't know if I had the right email because I did not email it to Crystal. I think I emailed it to someone else. Oh, I'm sorry. This is Carolyn Mark.
Who do you have? You said you have Jada Douglas?
That's correct.
Okay. Is she on Zoom?
She is on Zoom.
Oh, yes, there. All right. Okay. Yeah, she's on.
You ready?
I'm ready if you're ready. Thank you.
Calling case number 2059001, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jada Douglas. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Shanetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Carolyn Chapman Marsh, PC1887 on behalf of Ms. Douglas. Your Honor, I have discussed this matter with Ms. Douglas, the purpose of a preliminary exam and the standard of proof. And after our discussion, she wishes to waive her right to a preliminary exam, knowing she will be bound over to circuit court for further proceedings.
Any objection?
No objection.
All ready? Thank you. All right, Ms. Douglas, can you state your name, please, for the record? You're still on mute, I can't hear you. Can't hear you, still on mute, you gotta unmute it. You gotta turn it on, turn on your audio.
Who's still on mute, Judge? The defendant?
Douglas, she's not on mute, so she doesn't have her audio on.
Oh.
Ms. Douglas? You gotta turn your audio on.
Okay. Hey, Judge, she says she's back in the waiting room, but she has her audio on now.
All right, Ms. Douglas, can you state your name?
Jada Douglas.
All right, thank you. All right, ma'am, you understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause a crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing that crime. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Anybody promise you anything or threaten you in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam?
No, sir.
You waive your right freely and voluntarily after having opportunity to talk to your attorney about it.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form and initialing off?
No objection.
Ms. Marsh, do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form and initialing off?
No, Your Honor.
All right, court will find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam as bound over the Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information, which will be December 9th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Have a good holiday. Thanks for your patience.
Thank you. You too now. Take care. Be safe.
Thank you. Okay, we're done, Ms. Douglas.
All right, thank you.
All right, have a good holiday, Ms. Douglas.
You too, sir.
Thank you.
All right.
Good morning, Judge. Good morning, Kitty.
Good morning,
Good morning,
Mr. Grace.
Melody.
How are you guys?
Good.
All right, we ain't used to you coming on this late.
Yeah, really.
I know. You know, me and Rand split up our cases, and I think he forgot to do one of mine.
Yeah, because he was on this morning.
Did he do Gerard Burrell?
No.
Okay, yep. I knew he was gonna forget.
You ready?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, it's a PCC. Calling case number 2061432, the people of the state of Michigan, versus Gerald Burrell. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Shanetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Melanie Bates here on behalf of Gerard Burrell. To waive his presence for today's probable cause conference.
All right, court waive his appearance for the purpose of today's hearing. And what is your pleasure?
Just to proceed to preliminary.
Okay. How many witnesses, Franklin?
1.
All right, 11 o'clock on June 17th.
Okay, thank you very much. You all have a holiday.
Ms. Bates, do you have discovery on this matter?
I do not.
Okay, I'll send you discovery.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, have a good holiday.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Martin. Greer. Cantor. Mr. Bennett.
All right, cool. There's no other attorneys on, Judge?
Nope.
Nobody in the waiting room?
Nope.
Great. All right, we got Martin, Sharon Greer, Thompson. Hello? Hello, good morning. Can I speak to Allison? Hi, Alicia, how are you? Good. This is Kitty Judge Giles Clark. You have the probable cause today? Joanna Andrews. All right, thank you. All right, Ms. Martin is logging in. Reggie, is Kenneth Smith yours?
It is mine, yes. I think he was K-Pierce, right, back in October?
Oh, yep, October 1st.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, this is Kitty, Judge Giles Clark. You have a PCC, you have a PCC in here today. Yeah, whoever did it put, your P number, they put, the wrong P number, they put 5 instead of another 3. Yep, so I had to go back and change it, because you were the appointed, attorney. Yeah. Yes. Thank you. All right. All right, they both should be coming on. Greer and Martin.
Greer and Martin.
Yep.
What about Cantor?
Cantor.
Did we do Jada Douglas? Did that?
Yeah.
We didn't do Juwan Thompson.
Nope. I'm checking into these exams now, but them are the last 2 PCCs. Good morning, Ms. Greer. Are you ready?
Good morning. Yes, I'm ready. Sorry for the mix-up.
That's okay. Calling case number 2058093, the people of the state of Michigan versus Kenneth Smith. Defendant is charged with count 1, license documents plates forgery, count 2, identity theft, count 3, operating license suspended, revoked, denied, habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
And good morning, Your Honor. May it please this most honorable court, Reginald Andrew, P number 80354, bring on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Sharon Greer appearing on behalf of Mr. Kenneth Smith. I'm not sure if he's present on the Zoom at this time.
Doesn't look like it. Waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing.
I will ask the court to waive his appearance. And at this time, Your Honor, we ask the court to set this for an exam.
All right. How many witnesses, Rich?
One, Your Honor.
All right, June 17th at 11:15.
June 17th, 11:15. I don't have anything in my calendar.
You do now. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right,
Have a great
good-
holiday. Have a great holiday. Stay safe, everyone.
You too.
Oh, okay, gotta wait. All right.
Ms. Martin on?
There, yeah, it says joining. I don't know where she's at. This connection is bad.
Good morning, Ms. Martin.
Good morning.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Calling case number 2061452, the people of the state of Michigan versus Dewan Andrews. Defendant is charged with count 1, stolen property, receiving and concealing motor vehicle. Count 2, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
And may it please the court, Reginald Andrew, P number 80354, appearing on behalf of the people.
Alicia Martin, Your Honor, P69003 on behalf of Mr. Andrews. Mr. Andrews is present on Zoom.
Mr. Andrews, state your name for the record, please.
Hi, my name is Dewan Andrews.
All right, Mr. Andrews, I don't do t-shirts, sweats, none of that in my courtroom, even on Zoom.
I apologize,
All right.
it won't happen again.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Martin.
Your Honor, I haven't received Mr. Andrews' discovery yet, so I am requesting that. And also, I don't know what we're doing for dates. I'm sure the exam dates are very far in the future. So if you want to set for exam, I'm sure I'll have received discovery by then.
All right. How many witnesses?
2, Your Honor.
2. All right, June 11th at 11:45.
June 11th, Your Honor.
Yes.
All right, thank you.
It most likely it's gonna be the same day, but hold on.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Judge, an attorney, Daniel Reed, I guess you called yesterday, his exam is scheduled for a Zoom hearing in April, but he wants an in-person now. So the date stay the same? Okay.
Take more time to do Zoom than do in person.
Right, I figure. Counselor? Okay, the date is gonna stay the same. I'll just, put the entry different in the system where I'll say in person. Yes, that's correct. All right. All right.
Okay. Concludes all the PCC. We still got 4 exams in the schedule.
Yeah, I'm trying to get Mr. Mezzan now. He's got 2.
Yeah.
The other 2 attorneys are not answering. morning, Mr. Nesbitt. This is Kitty Just Giles. We got 2 examiners scheduled for today. Can you please log on the Zoom? We need to give them a call back at 313-965-2407. Thank you. Oh, yes. 439, Judge Giles, Fulton, how may I help you? Yes. Yes, that's correct. Can you log on to Zoom? No, we're not. The court closed in person, so the exam dates are the in-person exam dates are being adjourned, so you have to log on to Zoom for the judge to give you a new date. Oh, wow. Yeah, this has been an order since last week. Okay. Have you been in touch with your client? Is your client? Okay. Can you have him log on? Him or her? Oh. Okay. Please, 360-439-0000. So it's 4 zeros after the 9. Thank you. All right. She said she had no idea she was on her way here to do the in-person exam.
Who was that?
Attorney Rippey, Jasmine Rippey. She said her client is on his way here too.
Who is Rose?
That's Frank Rose. He's retained. Try calling. Who was on Brutus again? Was that Thomasine Jefferson?
Yeah. Yeah, that was
So when he capious, they re-sign him to her, I guess. Well, how come it wasn't in the system?
said they were coming on?
Yep, she said she was driving. She said she was gonna pull over and come on. She's gonna get in touch with her client.
Mezzi?
Hmm?
Did you get Mr. Mezzi?
Nope. I was trying to give him a couple minutes. Give him a call back. Is that her?
This is Bible.
Anything? No? Good morning.
Good morning.
You ready on Thomas?
Yes, I am.
Calling case number 20-59003, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jawan Thomas. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people. Good morning, Jasmine Rippey, 80087 on behalf of Mr. Thomas.
Thomas, state your name for the record. State your name, Mr. Thomas. Ms. Rippey, is that Mr. Thomas there?
Mr. Thomas, you need to unmute yourself. You need to unmute. I see his picture, but
Okay.
State your name, sir.
Jawan Thomas.
Thank you, sir. All right, rescheduling this matter, Ms. Rippey. Ms. Rippey, are we rescheduling?
yes, Your Honor, we're rescheduling this.
All right, June 17th at 11:30.
That works.
All right, we're about to continue.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's it.
Yep, you can sign off. Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge Giles,
Yes,
do you
ma'am.
show 3 exams that are up for this afternoon that we're waiting on?
Right, we're trying to get in contact with them now.
Okay, just making sure.
Okay.
They're not
Good morning,
answering.
Court Reporter. How are you?
Okay, I'll be right back.
Good to see you.
You too.
How's your baby?
He's good, thank you. How's your family?
Good.
Stay safe.
You.
Thanks.
Kitty.
Hey, Constance.
It's just you and me. What's going on?
Right. Fun stuff. That's what this is.
So I know you have my number, right? You were asked before.
Yep, 5658.
That's me. So we're taking a little break. We have some people coming for the afternoon, or
He just walked away to stretch his legs, and I'm
Okay.
trying to get these with the attorneys.
Okay, and I'm gonna stretch my long leg too.
Okay.
Okay. I can hear you basically though if something happens.
Oh, okay, good. Oh, then you're fine. All right. All righty, nighty. Oh, in this one. All right, there's that discovery. Jealous. Where's Mr. Mezzi at?
Thank you for calling Romeo.
439, Judge Giles, courtroom, how may I help you? Yeah, I was trying to call you. That's okay. Right. Yeah. No, you gotta zoom in because the judge is giving dates. Uh-oh. Okay. All right. All right. Bye-bye. All right. So we got Mr. Mezzi getting ready to come on. Let me try this attorney Frank Rose again. Ah.
Hello, you have reached the law firm of attorney Frank K. Rose III. We're not available right now to take your call, but if you leave your name and phone number and a brief message, we'll be.
Hi, good morning. My name is Kitty. I work for Judge Giles at 36th District Court, courtroom 439. Mr. Rose has a scheduled examination today it was at, I think, at 11 o'clock. We need him to log on Zoom, or we need him to get another court date. Thank you. If you need to call me back, 313-965-2407. I called Mr. Rhodes again, he's still not answering. Mr. Mezzi called, he said, he was on Zoom, but he's contacting his clients and getting ready to log on.
right, then I'm all set here, everyone. I want to wish you a very happy Thanksgiving. Be safe, be healthy, enjoy yourselves.
Well, thank you. You too.
Oh, you do the same.
Thank you, thank you. I'll see you all on Monday.
Yep.
All right, take care.
Yep. All right, Reggie.
All right, thanks, Kitty.
Have
Thanks,
a good one.
Constance.
Morning, Mr. Mezzi.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. Did you get your client?
You know, I texted him and called him, but I don't see him. So we'll just have to waive his presence.
Have you talked to him?
I have, Your Honor. I actually talked to him a couple of days ago. He actually is going to appear there at 12:45. So he thinks this is being held in person.
All right, as long as you talk to him. All right.
I did talk to him, and I'll reach out to him again after today. I mean, after the hearing.
All right.
Which one was
Are
that?
you covering Mr. Mills too?
I am, Your Honor. I'm covering Westmoreland as well.
Covering what?
This is on Westmoreland. I'm covering that one as well.
All right, have you talked to him?
Yeah, I talked to him. We're waiting for the gun board letter on that one, Judge.
All right.
I expect that to be resolved here. I expect both of them to be resolved, but we'll see.
Okay. Calling case number 2055902, the people of the state of Michigan versus Denzel Reed. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Romy Meskin on behalf of Denzel Reed. Your Honor, I'll waive his presence with the court's permission.
All right, 1 second. Ms. Franklin, still there?
Oh.
My apologies, Judge. I was multitasking. Janetta Franklin here on behalf of the people. And Judge, I didn't hear what case was called.
Reed.
Okay.
Denzel Reed.
Okay, thank you.
We're going to waive his presence for the purpose of this hearing. We'll set this matter for June 17th, 2021, 11:45.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor. And Your Honor, I also have Westmoreland for Mr. Vermel.
Right. We're going to call it now.
Okay.
Calling case number 2056451, the people of the state of Michigan versus Carl Westmoreland. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Romy Mezzi standing in for Lance Vermel. We'll be waiving the defendant's presence for the court's commission.
All right. We're scheduling this matter for June 17th at 12 noon.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Thank you. You
You
too.
too. Thank you, Mr. Murphy.
Take care.
Figures the timing would be impeccable that way. I've used the time that we had during that break to call a defense attorney back. And while I was on the phone, this case was called. So sorry about that.
All right. Nothing wrong with multitasking. I get Mr. Rhodes in here.
Yeah, yes, what, I'm sorry. Oh, we did him. I'm getting ready to, email over the paperwork. Yeah, his date is February 4th. All right, thank you. All right, bye-bye. Judge, who's cooking the turkey tomorrow?
The daughter.
Your daughter? Now, this the daughter that likes to cook, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
She loves that, we're gonna have a new stove and stuff.
I bet she probably go crazy with the new stove. All types of stuff. Are the grandkids coming over? No. Yeah, it's gonna be a little different this year.
Yeah. Brooke and Kennedy, Brooke, that's Kim's daughter.
Mm-hmm. Right.
She tested positive for cocaine, not cocaine.
Oh.
COVID. COVID.
Right.
So she's doing okay now, but it's still waiting out the couple weeks.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. So what about Kennedy? Is she okay?
Yeah, she's had no symptoms.
Oh, okay, good.
She admitted.
Right.
Might make one of us sick.
Right, you might just be carrying it.
Yep.
Oh, my sister is a real, let's get together, everybody, she's a real holiday person. I'm like, she's like, what are we doing? Nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing. She's one that, I don't know, just seem like, don't you see these numbers?
Yeah. Surprised all the people going to the airport.
Yeah.
Showing all these airports, they're packed. And actually, my other daughter, older daughter, just went to Florida. She just got back Monday.
Oh, did she?
Yeah. Her and her husband, they wanted to go, so let me use my timeshare down there. So she went down there, and then coming back, she said, plane, I guess, started to take off, and they had to go back because this one guy wouldn't wear a mask on the plane. He had on his little red Magna hat, Make America Great Again.
Oh.
So they went back to their, put them all, and then went on about the business.
So so they put him on, he still refused not to put it on?
Right.
Oh my.
Used to wear it.
So he's just,
He's a clown.
so what, was a lot of stuff shut down in Florida, did she say? No?
She said on the complex, everybody was wearing their masks and all that kind of stuff. She said when you go off the complex, you wear it.
Wow.
I'll see you in a couple weeks. Maybe.
I know my grandson's mother, she wants to take my grandson to Florida to Disney. Apparently she said she bought Disney tickets and all that, and flight tickets to go for Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving?
Yes. So
Get
what?
money back? No, they won't give her money back, they'll give her they'll let her transfer it to get another ticket.
But she wants to go. My son is upset because he doesn't want her to take him. He's like, you go and let him stay. So I don't know, I gotta call and see what happened. She be acting crazy sometimes. He even offered, he said, look, I'll pay for your flights, I'll pay for everything, just don't take him. You know, he don't want her to take him.
Right. The grandson lives with your son, or he lives with you?
Well, they
there you
kind
go.
of share, but he has him more because he goes to school. He's homeschooling him. Well, the class is online, so he's home with him during the week, and then she'll get him, the weekends. She's a real smart girl. She just be acting crazy sometimes.
Yeah.
All right, where is Mr. Rose?
Nothing back.
Mr. Muzzy?
Hello.
Okay, I have no idea what you said, Mr. Benson.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm appearing again on Reed and Bell Reed. My client wants to come on the record.
On the record for what?
I don't know, Judge. He says he wants another attorney. He wants an earlier exam date. I don't know what to tell you, but I think we can go on the record with it again.
I'm gonna file a motion. We ain't going back on the record.
Okay. All right.
Once another attorney he can go out and retain one.
Right. I'll let him know that. He may be calling in the court just so the court knows.
All right.
All right, Your Honor. Thank you. Thank you.
This must be the one that Mr. Mezzi said he was, difficult. These defendants always act like they can do more than what their attorney does. For some reason.
Okay, Mr.
No, I left a couple messages, it's just, they didn't call me back and they're not answering. They're saying they're not available, so I don't know if their office is closed.
After 5 more minutes. Thank you.
All right.
Back.
.439 Judge Giles courtroom, how may I help you? Yes. Yes, how can I help you? 439 Judge Giles courtroom. Yes, we got another date. We're not doing in-person exams, so the judge gave another date of June I think it was June 17th at 11:45. Sir, this is a court-appointed attorney. That's how the judicial system works. If you're not happy with him, you can retain your own attorney. Yes, 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 yes. Sir, that's your future date, okay? If you want to retain your own attorney, you can. What? Nobody can come in the courthouse right now, sir. I'm sorry, it's, coronavirus right now. Well, maybe you should contact an attorney and ask them why. I know what you're telling me, sir. Sir, I'm not going to go back and forth with you. If you have an issue, you can ask another attorney or retain an attorney, okay? Sir, he hasn't filed an appearance. No, that's not how it works. If you retain the attorney, they know the process. They can file them, yeah. Sir, I'm not going back and forth with you. If you retained your own attorney, you said you retained your own attorney, is that correct? That's not what I'm talking about. Did you or did you not retain your own attorney? Okay, then that's who you need to contact and ask him these questions, okay? No, that's not what a retained attorney does. No, your attorney knows what to do. If he's retained and you're paying him, he should know what to do. He has to file an appearance. He has to file an appearance. Hello? Okay? So you have a good day, Mr. Reed. I don't know about Monday. All right. Goodness. Now I see what Mr. Mezzi is talking about.
Good job, kid. Oh,
first he was saying I don't have a retained attorney. I don't have to have one. But then it got to, well, I have an attorney. I have retained one. Why is that attorney still appearing for me? Well, why are you calling me then?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Look like I need to remember this name, Denzel Reed.
Yeah. You know, they act like it's our fault that they're here, number one.
Right. Exactly. Why are you guys doing this? Why are you guys doing that?
Like it's our fault.
Then he said, my retained attorney told me to do this. No, that's not what he told
Yeah, right.
you. Did I do a hearing on this one? This was no way.
Her coming back?
Nope.
Somebody was in there.
Oh,
Frank Rose.
oh, that's it. There we go. Good morning, Mr. Rose.
Good morning, Madam Clerk. How are you?
Good, how about yourself?
I'm great. When we adjourned this from Columbus Day to today, I wrote down today at noon, not 11. So maybe this was my error.
Well, the court is not doing in-person exams. It closed down.
Oh, I know that.
That's why hold on. That's why we need you to come on so we can reschedule it.
And I knew that. I just, Judge Giles wants my client here, and he's due in right about now, just to say hi. But if we could get a new date and I can waive his appearance, then we can do it right now.
Have you talked to him?
Yeah, I told him that that he might want to come in here, even though the exam was going to be adjourned. and he understands that.
All right.
Oh, we did him earlier.
That's your client?
No.
No, I don't have him. He literally should be walking in my office right about now.
Hello.
I told him. I don't know who is this.
Mohammed Jaffer from my state.
That's not my client.
All right.
Giles.
Mr. Jeffrey, you need to contact your lawyer. We just set it for, you got the file?
Yeah,
We set your matter for a preliminary exam,
June 17th
June 17th
at 10:30.
at 10:30. That's in person.
Okay, that's for.
No, that's the other gentleman, Mr. Rhodes. We'll call your case in a minute.
Okay, I'm
Mr.
sorry.
Jeffrey, do you understand? Mr. Jeffrey?
Yes.
Your case is set for preliminary exam, June 17th at 10:30.
Okay.
That's in person in the courtroom, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, when you come, don't wear a sweatshirt. I don't do sweats. I don't do t-shirts. I don't do none of that. I live on Zoom. I beg your pardon? I couldn't hear you, I'm sorry.
I was just coming home from work about a half hour ago.
I understand, but right now you're in my courtroom,
Okay.
all right?
Apologize.
So shirt with a collar, please.
Yes, sir.
You can call Mr. Rhodes.
Calling case number 2057033, the people of the state of Michigan versus Romy Harris. Defendant is charged with count 1, controlled substance possession. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Renata Franklin, appearing on behalf.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Frank Rhodes, 24119, appearing on behalf of and with Rome Harris, who I'm going to move my phone and he will be on my Zoom. Say good morning, Your Honor.
How you doing, Your Honor?
Mr. Harris, state your name, please.
Rome Deshaun Harris.
All right, Mr. Harris, just so you know, I don't do t-shirts, I don't do sweats, I don't do none of that in my courtroom.
Yes,
Even
sir.
when you're on Zoom, you're in my courtroom. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, shirt with a collar, please.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, Mr. Rhodes, we're gonna have to reschedule this one.
Okay.
To June 18th, 2021 at 10 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
At 10 a.m.
Yes, sir.
And it's live, and when you say 10 a.m., Judge, I'm saying this in front of my client, you mean exactly 10 a.m.
Exactly 10 a.m., because at 10 a.m. I will call the case.
All right, thank you, Your Honor, and I will be there with bells on at 10 a.m. or before.
All right, thank you, appreciate it.
Have a good holiday, Your Honor.
All right, you too. Take care, be careful.
Thank you.
Same for your client.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Javi, you want something else?
Am I done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right, thank you. All right, have a good one now. Be safe, be careful.
Everybody have a happy Thanksgiving.
All right,
you too, Miss Franklin. You take care. Be
You
careful
too.
out there.
Thank you, you too. Bye-bye.
So good to see you.
You too. Bye.
We feeding that little puppy too much turkey now.
Oh, all right, Judge. Thank you.
All right.
All right, see you, Constance. Have a good holiday.
You too. Stay safe.
You too. Judge, remember Mr. Medley, that one client he came back on for? He says his attorney. So he called Yeah, I understand. He a trip. He was a trip. He was saying, I don't understand how you can proceed without me. So he started saying he didn't want him as an attorney. And I said, well, you know, you can retain your own attorney. No, I don't want nobody as my attorney. I said, so as we got further along, because I was like, look, sir, I'm not gonna keep going back and forth with you. You know, you can contact that attorney, or if you want to retain your own attorney, the questions you're asking me, you need to be asking an attorney.
Right.
So then he says, well, I got my own attorney. So now he got his own attorney. So I said, well, sir, if you have your own retained attorney, then
Have the attorney file a appearance.
have the, you know, the attorney file appearance, that the attorney should know what to do.
Right.
And he says, he told me to do this. So you telling me your retained attorney told you to call up here and say, I don't want that attorney? No, that's not how it goes.
No.
I said, he's just making up stuff as he goes.
Yes, he was.
All right, Judge, well, that's a wrap.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, have a good holiday, be safe.
I'm doing my best. You too?
Yeah, be back on Monday.
I'm gonna go home and do a bunch of work. Problem is, I gotta get my plumber and my electrician there. And
Oh,
both of them sitting at home on quarantine at work.
oh, so that's holding you up.
Yeah. I can't close up the walls and put the tile down and do all that stuff till they finish.
Oh, that's not fun.
No, no, not.
That's not fun at all.
You know, I go start something else. And once I start it, then they'll come back. It's gonna be looking like, you got 10 projects on it. How you just leave alone?
Like I'm trying to get it finished.
Yeah. All right. Let's see you later. Oh, where is, mailroom? It's on this floor or third floor?
Third floor.
Yeah, check my mail.
Yeah, it's the left door by the elevators.
Yeah. Well, might be able to come back Monday.
All right, Judge. All right, that's next.
Judge Eva needs Brian to criminal advance courtroom 438. Record your message at the tone. When you're finished, hang up.
What? Oh, this should be David. Come back to that one.
Judge King's courtroom.
Y'all still going in, Tel?
We just finished.
Oh, so did you get to leave early yesterday?
I left at 3 o'clock.
Oh, is that how long it took to get the work done?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's the
I left
thing.
at 3.
It's still work, so you're really not getting a real break.
You not,
Right.
because I worked straight through. I ain't taking a break, so.
Yeah, I know. I don't either, because I'll be trying to get out of here.
Yeah. So 3 o'clock was almost like, just working without a lunch, pretty much.
Yep. Yep, full day without a lunch.
But But today we finished early, so I'm putting in entries, so hopefully I'll leave around 1:30 maybe. I'm gonna take my time to put the entries in.
Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to get out of here too.
Y'all finished?
Yeah, we just finished.
Oh, okay.
Just finished. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, all
When you
right.
come back? Monday?
I'll be back Monday. I worked the full 3 weeks.
Oh, okay.
Yep, I'll be here except my furlough day.
Tuesday, right?
Yep. Yep.
Okay.
All right. Well, if I don't see you, have a good holiday, okay?
All right, you do the same.
All right. All right. Bye. Uh-oh, Judge forgot to turn this stuff off.